Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today we are going to open day 18 of the uh, Advent boxes for 2025. I have this one from Missouri Star Quilt Company, and this is a large one from Soft Squares. Day 18, Soft Squares, and day 18, this is a heavy one from Missouri Star Quilt Company. So let's start here. I have to say, these are very hard to open, especially being plastic. Let's see what's in here. Still don't have it open. Pretty much destroying this. Oh, there it is. Oh, cute paper. Cute paper. Oh, Connie has my name. Ah. Oh, but the two ends are backwards. Okay. Well, it's beautiful. It'd be neat, but the letters are backwards. Oh, was this day 17? I think there was an envelope. I thought there was an envelope. Day 17, part 2. Open last. Maybe it'll tell me that it was made wrong. Let's see. No. No. It's cute. Might have to let her know that. Oh, no, there it is. Ah, I tell you, I just can't see it. I'm so sorry. There. Now it's right. That is cute. Hang it up on the wall and put a wall hanging up. I like that. I don't know what I was doing that I was looking at it wrong. That is cute. Sorry about that, Soft Squares. That's adorable. I like that, and the value on that was $35. I like it. Oh, no, wait a minute. Day 18, $25. So this is $25 value. All right, let's go on to Missouri Star Quilt Company, and this is day 18 with them. That's a nice big package. Ooh, quilt pattern for 10-inch squares, 72 by 72, winter stardust. Oh, is that a beautiful pattern? Look at that. And then, oh, it's a puzzle. And I am into puzzles anymore. I've got a big table upstairs. So cool. That is a puzzle. And then I can always use fabric in my stash to make this quilt. This puzzle is 400 pieces, and it's a 20 by 20. It's got numbers on them. Pretty cool. So that is a neat gift. So that was day 18 of the Advent boxes. So I hope you enjoyed seeing them, and we'll come back tomorrow for day 19. We're getting close to the end, and I hope you are ready for Christmas. I'm not. So thank you.